Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2014 Suzuki GSXR1000. We're going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's take a close look at this Suzuki. It is only one owner from new, this one. Now, on the HPI it does show an NMR, which is two of the MOTs that have been done on it. They've put kilometres on instead of miles, so that's the discrepancy on it. So it is nothing really, it's just a mistake by the MOT place. So we'll get a look at the front of this first. As you can see, it's in the Volcom Superbike colours as well. It does have the Brembo brakes on it. And it's got the Showa front fork as well. Let's get a good look over all the plastics on it. It has had a proper paint job as well. It's a Suzuki one. They're all got the Suzuki panels on it. Get a good look low down. We'll see it better off the other side. Get a look over the tank and the side plastics. It's got the paddock stand bobbins on as well. Let's get a look over the top. Over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. Got the tank protector on there. Let's get a look at it from the back as well. We'll move around to the right hand side. It's got Pipeworks exhaust on it. You can see there it's got an Optimate lead on it as well. Good sign that it's been dry stored. We'll do the same, we'll get a look over the plastics on this side. Look over the side of the tank on this side as well, and we'll get a better look at the plastics from this side because it's on the side stand. So we'll finish up, get a look at this front wheel from the right hand side. And we'll go up, take a look up at the dash controls, and we'll get the exact mileage off it. Okay, let's have a look at the controls. So you've got your front brake, you've got your throttle, you've got your kill switch and your starter, and then the meter button on there, the up and down on that. Then over to the other side, we've got our clutch. We've got the lights, indicators, horn and hazards. We'll take a look up at the mileage on there in miles. We've just done 26,550. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you. Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com, or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.